Now when you finish, you have to add one more row of black. So you add one more row of black by inserting black pieces on top of it. Now when you finish, you mold it into a round shape. And then you go to this point, this top middle white piece. You go up here, you will find these two black pieces, and then you go on top of these two pieces. You have to add two inverted black pieces. So this will be normal. This will be a normal piece. And inverted means that you turn it over and insert it like this. You add one more near it. It should be right above this top white piece. And on top of these two inverted black pieces, you have to add 3 black inverted pieces. To do this, you empty one pocket and only insert one pocket here. So the white pocket is empty. You only insert the left corner. And then you add one here, 2 points go over 2 pocket. And this one again, you have to empty one pocket. You empty the left pocket. You just insert this point into the right pocket. Now you have to add 3 more black inverted pieces on top of it. So you do the same. Now you have to add 3 more. This will be the last row of black. Let me just adjust the camera angle. We just add it right on top of it. And then you compress it a little bit to make it sharper. Now you have to add 2 normal yellow pieces on top of it. These 3 black pieces. So you take 1 yellow piece and add it normally, not invertedly. You add it normally. So you add it like this. 1, 2 points go over 4 points, like this. And then 1 more just go over these 2 points. And then finally you have to add the last yellow piece. Compress it a little bit for easy to insert it. This will be 4 points go over 1 point. For the mouth and for the beak, maybe you take 1 yellow piece and open it like this. Turn the flip up and then cross it over like this. And then you glue it, make some glue here, and then you glue it like this. And then you have the one side of the beak. And then you take 1 more yellow piece, do the same, you open it and flip it open, cross it over, and glue at this point. And then you have the upside of the beak and the downside of the beak. And then you have to glue it here. Just glue it near your eye. Make sure the beak don't cross over the 2 eyes. You can adjust it. And then glue 1 down and 1 up.